Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to hide the number of subscribers you have on YouTube on your phone. So we are going to go to Google and then search for YouTube Studio. So you click on sign in. So when it brings this page, you click on these three dots and then you check this box of desktop site. That makes it have the studio of the desktop, because the studio of the phone, the app doesn't give you those options of changing your subscribers. So as you can see, this is the studio for the desktop. So what you have to do is go to this corner here, settings, and then you go to channel. So then after I click on advanced settings, scroll down, you see subscriber count, then you check this box. Okay, at first it's checked when it shows the subscribers, but then you uncheck it, and then after unchecking it you save. It's very nice. Let me check it. And then you save. So that will show your it will show your subscribers, since mine was unchecked, but then if you uncheck it, it will not show your subscribers. So that's how you hide the number of subscribers, like on the YouTube, so that when people click on your channel they don't see your subscribers, like the number of the subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, comment for more amazing videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.